Chapter 1. Plants make food. Learning objectives. About leaf. The process of making food, photosynthesis. Relationship between plants and animals. Balance in nature. Let us study in detail how green plants make their food. We all eat food, but have you ever wondered where does the food come from? Most of the food we eat come from plants. The animal world depends either directly or indirectly upon plants for food. But have you ever thought, where do plants get their food from? Green plants can make their own food. That's why they are called producers. It is the green leaf that makes food for the plant. Leaf. Most of the plants have green leaves. They appear green due to the presence of green substance called chlorophyll. But some plants, such as mushrooms and molds, are non-green. They cannot prepare their food. This is because they lack chlorophyll and it is necessary for plants to make food. You can identify the plant with its leaf. Parts of a leaf. The flat part of a leaf is called leaf blade. Some leaves have broad leaf blade while some have narrow. Leaf blade helps to trap the maximum amount of sunlight. Look at the leaf carefully. You will see a tube-like structure runs along the center of the leaf. It is called main vein or midrib. Main vein branches off side veins. The main vein works in two ways. In one way, they carry water and minerals from the roots to the leaf, and in other way, they carry prepared food from the leaf to all parts of plant. Now turn the leaf. With the help of hand lens, look closely to the leaf. You will see many tiny openings called stomata. You cannot see these openings with naked eyes as they are very tiny. Air enters and leaves the leaf through these openings. Fact time. Jan Ingenhousz was a Dutch scientist who laid the groundwork for understanding photosynthesis. The process of making food, photosynthesis. A leaf is called the food factory of a plant. Let's understand the working of this factory. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil through roots. The green pigment called chlorophyll present in leaves traps the sunlight. All these are used by the leaf to prepare food. This process of making food by plants using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is known as photosynthesis. This term comes from two words, photo meaning light and synthesis meaning together. To show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Take a potted plant and cover one of its leaves on the upper and lower sides with pieces of black paper. After about 24 hours, remove the covered leaf and take one more leaf from the plant. Apply iodine on both the leaves. The portion of leaf that was covered with black paper and did not receive sunlight does not turn blue-black in color during iodine test. But the other leaf has changed its color. It shows that the leaf covered with black paper did not contain starch. The food prepared by a leaf is called sugar. This food is transported through the plant by the stem and branches. A plant uses some amount of the prepared food to carry out its life process, while the rest of the food is stored in fruits, leaves, stem or roots in form of starch. We consume such parts of a plant. To test a leaf for starch. Take a green leaf and clip it in the boiling water for a minute to kill the cells. Next, boil the leaf in alcohol as shown in the figure till it becomes pale white. The alcohol will dissolve the chlorophyll and the leaf will lose its green color. Wash the leaf in water to remove the alcohol. Spread the leaf in a dish and pour iodine solution. If starch is present in the leaf, it turns into blue color. A leaf without starch will show brown color. Relationship between plants and animals. We know that all animals depend on plants for their food. Do plants also depend on animals? Yes, animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is needed by plants to manufacture their food. As a result of photosynthesis, plants give out oxygen that is used by animals for breathing. The dead and decayed animals become a part of the soil, with time making it rich in minerals. These minerals are in turn used by plants through their roots. Thus, plants and animals live together in a relationship where one depends on the other. Balance in nature. A balance between the number of plants and animals is very important. If the number of animals increases, plants may not be able to supply enough food and oxygen to all the animals. If there is an increase in the number of plants, the carbon dioxide supplied by animals may not be enough for the plants. To maintain the balance in nature, we have to protect both plant and animals' life. Keywords: chlorophyll, the green substance in the leaf; leaf blade, the flat broad surface on the leaf; stomata, the minute pores or openings on the leaf; photosynthesis, the process by which the leaf prepares food. At a glance: leaf, parts of a leaf; leaf blade, main view, side view, stomata; food factory of a plant; photosynthesis, process of making food using sunlight, water, air.